Module 2, Lesson 1, Lecture 1.2, Login. Linux machines can have a number of accounts. Just like other operating systems, it's a common feature. You have a number of user accounts. Now, each user account has associated with it a username and a password for identification and authentication. So when you first start the machine, you're prompted for a username and a password. Now, the default username, the account that it gives you by default is Pi. That's the name of it. So that'll be the username, and the password, default password, is Raspberry, which you can change. We saw through the Raspberry config. So you start off, and that's the login process right there, where you give the username and the password, and it logs you in. Now, first command we'll talk about in command line is a man page, a man command. Getting manual pages, or man pages, people call them. So there are a whole lot of commands in a Linux or Unix environment, and you won't necessarily remember all of them all the time. So often you're at a machine and you know the name of the command, but you don't remember exactly how to use that command, right? Because these commands have lots of options that you can add to them, and maybe you don't remember an option or something like that. So you type man and the name of the command at the prompt. So you can see up there I say pwd. I know there's a command pwd, but I forgot what it does. So to find out, I type man pwd, hit enter, and then what will appear is the screen will change and it'll immediately become what you see at the bottom. And this is just the beginning of it, but it's the man page. It's a description of the command. It gives you the name of the command, its synopsis, its description, gives you all its options, all that. So that will appear on the screen. I'm just showing you the top part of it, but the man pages can be pretty long. So, but there are man pages available for all of the Unix and Linux commands. So you can find out about a command that way by using its man page, and that's a helpful feature a lot of the time. So it gives information about some Linux command, and that used to be immensely. Used to be the only source of information you have, but now you got the network. You can also Google, right? You can just Google something and ask it for help. But man pages are really useful. They're sort of a local store of information about the operating system.